With just 4 days left for the last date of filing nominations in the Jhadc election, 25 candidates from various political parties and independents submitted their papers today. Among them, Thombor Shivat, sitting CEM of Jhadc, filed his nomination as the NPP candidate for the 8th Mudop Umdalang constituency. Shivat acknowledged the increased competition and emphasized the need for hard work to secure victory. He also highlighted the importance of strengthening council departments and improving financial stability. On the issue of Dorbar Kur recognition, Shivat assured that the matter is being processed despite election delays.
Takamte kamujuk pun krehi lima hak election hita ngah ke jinglong ke ngah tamjuk ke stinya le le kat le hanrei kaman katte tan kat kamu pau hi buat ke jing le ngah to man ko strip ni le mas men kat wasnya ko mas men tahap mboy thong mboy thia mboy dem de hap kre tang e bai wa yo dikina sa jing em kam yong iha council ko nang kong hi tamot to komon pun klan yaki department wo respond le pun klan yaki resources yang ga council hap em gijing pun gela wo pun klan kanang wo yo gi dap ubiang le yo em gijing mi pun na ka council ri